Cinnamon Life here. I'm Evelyn.
And I'm Amelia.
And so we're going to be starting this new segment on YouTube. I don't know if it'll be like this is episode 1 or video 1, but it's going to be called Cabin Cooking, where we're going to be making food and showing you how to do it on our channel. So if you haven't seen what we have down below, hint, ice cream and the Oreos and like all this other stuff, we are going to be making ice cream.
Oreo ice cream.
So mint Oreo ice cream. So what you're going to need to make this mint Oreo ice cream is, of course, Oreos. You're going to need 2/3 of Oreos
and we'll
chopped
be crushing
up.
them up.
So chopped up. So we'll be showing you next. We are going to need 3/4 a cup of sugar, 2 cups of heavy or whipping cream, and 2 teaspoons of peppermint or mint extract. We're using peppermint.
You will also need 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and some containers to store it in.
Let's get started. Okay guys, so we are now going to be mashing up our Oreos. So what you're going to need is a masher, so something that can mash your Oreos.
A measuring cup
To
you
measure.
will be filling it up to 2/3.
And a bag to put your Oreos in to mash. One tip that we're going to show you at the end after we mash this up is that they need to go in the refrigerator. That way they are stiffer.
And when
that
they go in the ice cream maker,
they
it will
don't
melt the
ice
ice cream.
So let's get started. So we're just going to take out a few Oreos.
We'll take out 3.
We'll take out like 5 because we don't know how much we're going to need.
So we're
but
going to
of
put
course
it
we're
in
gonna
the
put
bag.
We're going to put it in the bag. Yeah, we'll put more in. So we're just putting some Oreos in. Okay, now we're going to want it airtight. Okay, now zip it up. And then we're going to shake it out. And we're going to
crush them up.
and crush them up. So
Ew, look at the icing.
here, let me do some.
That looks nasty. Get the ones painted.
So now we are going to open it up,
if we can.
and we're going to
Dump them
pour
in.
out what's
Do
at
you
the
have
bottom.
to touch them?
So we're going to shake off the sides and pour it in, and then if we need more, we will add more.
Probably would have been easier to cut off this.
There we go. Okay.
All right. Oh, we're past 2/3.
We are.
Oh yeah.
So now we're gonna shake it down. We are past 2/3.
It's
So-
okay. It's fine.
I'll look it first. Take one minute.
Good.
There we go.
Now we're going to put
Put
it
them
in the fridge.
refrigerator. Okay, so now we are over at our electric mixer, and we're going to be whisking in our eggs so that they are light and fluffy for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to take an egg, and we're going to both crack them. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we're gonna whisk it together so it's light and fluffy.
So you always want to make sure that's locked in so nothing sprays out. Then you're just, like I said, you're going to do it for 1 to 2 minutes till fluffy.
On like maybe.
Okay, guys. So
Now
it
it's
is
light
about
and fluffy.
About life. It's like light and fluffy. So
And now we're gonna add in the sugar a little bit at a time, and then
for
wait.
about 1 minute.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna wait a minute more just to make sure that's all mixed in perfectly. So Amelia, you're gonna turn it on, and okay, and then I'm gonna slowly pour it a little in.
And you want to mix it until well combined.
little more. Okay. Now we're just going to wait until it is mixed in perfectly. Okay guys, so now you're going to be adding our whipping cream.
And milk.
So you just pour it in as it's spinning.
So let's turn it on.
Wait, make
It
sure
is
it's locked. And again, you're going to make sure that it's blended all together before you do anything else. So yeah, you can start pouring these in over there.
There we go. Now we're just going to wait until it's all mixed and combined.
Okay, so then for the next step, we're going to be adding our peppermint extract or mint extract because we're making mint Oreo ice cream. So we're going to be making 2 teaspoons of it. So Amelia's going to pour and then I'll dump and then we'll trade.
Go.
Okay. This is just gonna give it like a minty taste.
And it'll
scent.
smell.
Okay, come.
And now we're just gonna wait until it's all mixed and combined.
Okay guys, so Amelia decided that she didn't want just plain
So
white
we
mint
dyed it
ice cream, so she dyed it green.
green.
So you guys can do that too if you want.
You
So
don't
now
have to.
you're going to need your ice cream maker. If you don't have one, you should go to the store and buy one if you want to make this. So we're going to be pouring it into this little canister right here that will be holding the ice cream and that'll be like making the ice cream. So we're going to pour that carefully. Hope we don't spill it.
Okay, so
And
now
it's not going to fill up all the way. So now,
do we have a spatula?
it's fine, Amelia. Okay. So now you're going to use your thing that spins it. And you're just going to
Mixer?
push that down, the mixer, and push that down. And
And
then
put on the top.
you're going to put on the top.
And now
You're going to turn it to 50 minutes. It's not going to take all 50 minutes. You're just going to come back to it once it starts to slow down to add your Oreos because that's when it's going to start to freeze. Because otherwise, if you wait till all 50 minutes are up, you won't be able to add the Oreos in.
So we'll see
you
you when.
then. Okay, guys, so it is almost done.
It's
And
slowing down.
continue.
So we're going to add in the Oreos. We're going to do scoops because it's going to be.
And we're going to be putting it through this little slit right here. That way we don't have to take it out. Samuel, do spoonfuls.
Okay, guys. So we're adding the
So
last
we're
couple
almost
scoops.
done.
We're adding in the last couple scoops, and then we gotta let it sit for the last couple minutes. It has like a little less than 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the container.
Or just until it's done, like until like the spinner stops moving. And then we're gonna put them into our containers and then put them in the freezer. That way we can have them.
And then the ice
nice
cream
and
will be all
good
done.
for later. Okay, guys, so it just finished.
We're gonna take it out and scoop it into here.
And then it goes into the freezer so it's nice and cool for when you eat it later. as you scoop it out, you can see all of the
It smells
Oreo
so good.
pieces. Oh, it does smell really good.
Okay, we're gonna have to switch over to the other one because this lid needs to go on.
Amelia, it's fine.
No.
Yeah. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.